Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add audio spectrum to make a music video using InShot. So if you want to create an engaging music video, you can add audio spectrum effects to your clips, and here I'm going to show you how you can do it using InShot. First, let's launch the InShot app, this one. And then in here click on the video options, and then just start by clicking on new and choose your background. You can use video or just a photo. For example, in here I'm going to just go with photo. Okay, after you select the photos, you can just tap on the check icon. This is the photo that I want to. And first, you can add the songs that you want for your music video. You can tap on audio, tap on music, and then choose the one that you want. You can also use the one from your library. I'm going to just go with the one on InShot. For example, here, let's just add this one. You can now just tap on use. Don't forget to adjust the durations of your photos or background to match with the music, just like this, for example. And now to add the audio spectrum, you can just swipe through the toolbar and tap on the PIP to enter the overlay. You can click on the material at the top and go with the atmosphere category. Then in here you can just scroll down until you find the audio spectrum. Let's just scroll down again. Okay, this one, there are two options, but I'm going to just use the first one. You can tap on it to download it first, click on it again, and now you can just adjust the size to fit the screens or adjust the blend. I'm going to go with 100. Click on the check icon. Here, adjust the size. And also the position, I'm going to go with here. And now you are done, and this will be the result. So that's all for me. That's how you can make a music video on InShot by adding audio spectrum. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.